Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. On this channel I talk about Build-A-Bear, Squishmallow, Squishables, Loungefly, basically anything that I think is cute. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe because it definitely helps my channel out. So I am a little bit sick. I'm very congested, so if you hear a change in my voice, that is why. Once again, we're talking about Build-A-Bear. So I talked about Build-A-Bear in my Oogie Boogie video. I talked about it in my Zero video. Now we're talking about the zombie frog. So I did pick this up recently. This was available in person and online, I think, from what I heard, but when I went to the 34th Street Build-A-Bear and the Queen Center Mall kiosk Build-A-Bear, they were already sold out, so I did have to place an order online. And with this I also picked up Zero, which is what you already saw if you subscribe to this channel. I linked these videos if you haven't seen them already. But we're talking about the zombie frog, which is one of their, I forgot the official term for it, it's one of their buddies. So these are the type of stuffed animals that are already pre-made. They're already going to be sitting at the shelf waiting for you when you go to Build-A-Bear. It's similar to socks. I reviewed socks initially when Lightyear came out, and that's also like a pre-stuffed animal. These are a little bit cheaper. It's like 12 bucks, which I do really like. This is a zombie frog. I picked it up because everyone loves frogs, and I do too, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I never picked up the pink frog, the green frog, or the swirly frog. I really regret not picking up the swirly frog. It's not even that I didn't like it, it's just, as I've mentioned 1.5 million times, I have a lot of stuffed animals already and I don't have the room for them. I cannot have them all, even if I wanted them all. I am very rapidly running out of places to put them, other than like storage, which might actually have to happen sooner rather than later. But let's take a look at this little zombie buddy, Build-A-Bear buddy, whatever they're called. Missing an eye, it has some like scarring detail, it has a little cute heart that is like stitched on. And I just like it. I think it's super cute. I think these are fun and obviously very affordable options for Build-A-Bear, like if you're bringing your child or even yourself, of course. But I always like to think about it in terms of being a kid. I was never able to go to Build-A-Bear as a child. My first time, I was 16 already. For my 16th birthday, I went to Build-A-Bear for the very first time. But if you have a child, a niece, a nephew, someone in your family, these are nice because they're a little bit cheaper. I think they're a little bit softer than a lot of the Build-A-Bears, to be honest, but that very much depends on which one you're picking out because they all have a different texture. These are nice because you're not going to be upsold necessarily on the smells, on the sounds, on the beating hearts, which all can rack up the pricing of your bear, including clothing and all that stuff. I think there are clothing options for the little buddy bears, right? Maybe. I'm always like, every time I go there, I'm always overwhelmed because there's just so many kids, so many adults, so many people, because I usually go to the 34th Street location, which is right next to the Empire State Building. So it's a lot of traffic flow, whether you're going in peak season, like in the summer, or whether you're going in December. It's a lot of people in and out. I don't always have time to kind of take it in, but this is cute. I'm also going to put the pricing of what I paid for right here. I picked this up with Zero, so just because I was like, if I'm already paying for shipping, Build-A-Bear shipping is expensive in my opinion. I complain about it all the time every time I do these videos, because usually when this dropped on their website, there was no free shipping. It's like they'll only do shipping deals, not even just free shipping, but like $5 shipping or whatever. They'll usually not do it when there's a new release. So I always have to either wait or buy something in the hopes that it's not going to sell out, and it's just the whole thing. When I bought my Pikachu bears, which I do have a video for, I paid over $100 and I want to say $50 at least for those bears, and there was no free shipping, no nothing. And it's not like the shipping's like $8. It's usually like $12 to $20 depending on what you're ordering. At least for me, I live in New York City. I hate when certain things are online exclusives only because it's just much more harder to get a hold of. So yeah, I do have this little buddy, super cute, super soft. I remember the Grinch also came in a version like this. I do have that somewhere. I thought that was so cute. Like, these little guys are a lot of fun. I know that at the time that I'm filming this video, they have just announced that the 25th anniversary bear for the Vault collection is going to be a zombie bear, which is finally coming back after a really long time. So I definitely want to pick that one up. But it's coming out on the 25th, and from what I heard, it was an online exclusive. I really hope I'm wrong on that information, because if I'm ordering it on the 25th and if I'm ordering it on the 25th and Halloween is like right around the corner, I feel like it wouldn't come in time, which is such a bummer. I feel like they should be releasing that earlier, but I get it because they're releasing every new bear for the Vault collection on the 25th because it's 25 years of Build-A-Bear. So I get it, but like, I will really, then it shouldn't be an online exclusive, because it's like you want to enjoy that bear as long as possible before Halloween. Of course, you can enjoy creepy, fun, cute stuff long after Halloween, but for me personally, I think it's just nice to have it during the month of October. There's an airplane flying by, but that's just my personal opinion. Let me know how you feel down below. I will 100% be getting that zombie, what is it again? The zombie bear. I keep thinking it's a different animal. I'm actually surprised they didn't do this as a bigger animal that you can stuff and fluff and add all the accessories, because I feel like the frog series is so incredibly popular. But maybe people didn't think this was cute enough. I'm not sure. Or maybe they just wanted a quick buck. Oh, these are $12. Okay, I didn't have to look up the price. It was literally right there. Cool, cool, cool. Those are my thoughts on the zombie frog. I also have a playlist if you're interested on all my Build-A-Bear reviews, unboxings, predictions, reactions to news that are dropping. Build-A-Bear Workshop, I pay for all these things with my own money. None of it is sponsored or anything like that. I do have a video where I talk about working at Build-A-Bear, so if you want to hear the pros and cons to that and what a chaotic time that was. I want to say that was 2019, so that was like the last normal year before 2020 came and everything hit the fan. Alright, there's another airplane flying by. But if you want to see that, I will definitely link that down below, because I had a lot of fun making that video and it actually got a really good response. I'm surprised about. But if you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because that definitely helps the channel, like I said earlier. And yeah, stay safe out there, have fun, be safe, and until next time, bye.